Fall in love with your life. Wake up early, buy your favorite coffee, go for walks, eat good food, wear what makes you feel confident, and listen to your favorite music. Purposely create these small moments that will make you fall in love with your life. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. And if you're new here, I hope you click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. After reading that, I just had to share that with you because I want you to fall in love with your life and have the simple pleasures, because sometimes it just doesn't take a whole lot to make you happy and enjoy what you have. Even something simple as having your coffee while you water your plants and you walk around your home and you're saying, I like this moment that I'm in right now. And it's a good moment. You feel peaceful. You feel calm. So wherever you have that joyful moment, indulge yourself in that. And in this video, I'm just going to share with you some feelings on what I've been going through or emotions that I've been dealing with the past couple weeks. And it got me kind of, I want to say upset and riled up, but I'm not going to let it bother me. I like to believe that when we think of home, we think of it as our sanctuary and where we come for peace and tranquility, or where we feel like we're safe. Because that's how I feel about my home. And I would think that people would feel that way, whether you're renting a home or if you're owning your own home. But there comes a time when you have to make a decision that breaks your heart but brings you peace. And I'm at that with our rental properties. As much as I wanted to have that entrepreneurial spirit of owning homes, because I owned a rental property since I was 22. And when you go into a house after you've already given it your all, you give them something decent to live in, and they in turn leave you with this mess to clean up and have no remorse about it. And this is just house number 3 that, the tenants are just leaving the houses a mess, and I just don't understand it. And, I try to be the landlord that understands and not be too hard, but it comes to a point where it's actually starting to break my spirit on how I am as a person. And I've given several warnings of just keep it clean. You need to clean up. And, again, I try to be patient and understanding, but in the world that I'm in, I just want to be more at peace. And when these things happen and with no regard, that's the part that bothers me the most. And I'm just saying I'm ready to throw in a towel on all of it, because trying to keep rent affordable and provide a decent house for people, it's almost becoming a tug of war here. So I think I'm out ready to just throw in a towel, because this is what I've been busy doing, because it was this house and another house where the tenants left the house, like they just didn't even care. But I don't give them a house messed up. I give them, when I finish a house, I look at it as if it's something that I would live in. And to be taken for granted like that, it just bothers me. So to keep my sanity and my time to myself, I'm about ready to just, let it all go. And hey, just focus on living the lifestyle of the thrift and famous and making videos. But yes, we did get the house back together. But this is what was taking so much of my time and energy. From this house to the next house, to the last house. So it was back to back, and I just couldn't concentrate on making videos and doing what I love to share with you all. But I will be back doing that very, very soon. But in the meantime, I'm really, that's what's going on with me and my thought process, and why I haven't been putting out videos lately. And I apologize, this wasn't all about home decor and thrifting, but thank you again for watching. I truly appreciate it. And just remember, beauty is being home and loving it. And if you want to talk about it and give me some advice, drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.